Thank you for joining another tutorial video by Vivid. In this video, we are going to discuss the reporting feature on the dashboard. The reporting feature makes it easy for ISOs and merchants to access back-end reporting that comes from the software or terminals they are using. Whether they're using Vivid POS, Point, or an integrated point of sale or terminal, the reporting section of the dashboard is another way to check things like authorizations and batches. Let's take a look. From your portal, you'll be able to go into the left-hand column here and click reporting. Today, we'll go over authorizations and batches. Once you click authorizations, it will simply bring you into an authorizations page. From here, you can go into the filter and you can select the account you wish, and you can also select the date range or by month. So for example, in this account, the account has done 623 authorizations. The approval rating is 99.68. The total amount authorized for this month as of June 28th, 2022 is $45,152.44. This graph will show an approval and decline ratio going forward from every day of the month. Down here, you'll be able to see day-to-day transactions in order, going from whether they're credit or debit, card present, not card present, the time and date, whether they're successful, declined, or not approved, or if there are any fraudulent charges. You'll be able to see that here. And why this is such a great feature is that you can look back if you're using another point of sale or software that's integrated, and you can make sure that all the payments are there that are supposed to be there. Going back to the reporting tab, click batches. And from here, you can see a batch from every single day. You can customize in the filter the date. You can go back as far as you need to, and this will be updated every 24 hours and after the batch has been processed. Down here, you can see the batches from every single day, the amount on the date, the sales, and if there are any credits. If you click the View tab right here, you'll be able to see what that day and batch was comprised of and all the authorizations that went into that $1,849.49. So let's click View. Once you click View, you'll be able to see all those transactions that went into that batch, and you can go through the entire day to see if anything is missing or there are any discrepancies. Another easy feature to use is our statements. This is where the merchant or the ISO can go in and click a statement right here. Statements will be provided with a link right here, and you can click here for a PDF file. Thank you for joining this video, and that's a brief overview of our reporting feature with the Vivid terminal.